In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Jobber integrates with QuickBooks. Whether you're looking to streamline your business operations or make your accounting processes smoother, linking these two platforms can be incredibly beneficial. Let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Jobber. You should come across the official website pretty easily. If you already have an existing account, go ahead and log in. Alternatively, if you're new to Jobber, you'll need to sign up. The registration process is straightforward. Just ensure you have your business details handy, as you'll need those to create your account. Once you're logged into your Jobber account, take a glance at the right-hand side of your screen. You should see a sidebar menu there. In this menu, find and click on the Apps option. This is your gateway to linking Jobber with other helpful applications, like QuickBooks. Now that you're in the Apps section, scroll through until you see QuickBooks. Once located, click on it and then select Connect to QuickBooks. This will initiate the linking process between Jobber and QuickBooks. It's pretty seamless, but it's crucial to ensure you're connecting to the correct QuickBooks account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or businesses. The next step involves filling out the necessary information to facilitate this integration. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Typically, you'll be asked to log into your QuickBooks account if you aren't already logged in. Ensure that your QuickBooks and Jobber account credentials are ready, as you'll need to verify that you have the right permissions to create this link. It's also important to check that your QuickBooks account is up to date and normal access settings apply. Otherwise, you might encounter errors or restrictions during the integration process. As you follow the prompts, you might need to grant some permissions. This will allow Jobber to synchronize information with QuickBooks and enable seamless data flow. You'll find that this integration can streamline invoicing, customer management, and other accounting tasks that occur between these two platforms. Make sure you review the permissions carefully to understand what data will be shared. Once all the necessary information is entered and permissions granted, simply follow through with the final steps as prompted by the platform. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated Jobber with QuickBooks. This integration will save you time and reduce errors by automating the transfer of information between your job management and accounting software. Should you encounter any issues, both Jobber and QuickBooks offer support services to help troubleshoot and resolve common problems. And there you have it, a straightforward way to integrate Jobber with QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!